First to be in the crowd. December 31st, 2025. Huh? I think we should go over it. Where's the lid? Just a little bit, just a little bit. Perfect. Soup is on the way. Soup Joumou on the way. Dieu ça fait le deuxième de l'indépendance. Haiti food.
We should be taking time to nurture the youth. They will remember the one that shall not stop. Cross the borderline. No matter how scared you are, but in the next one, borderline. But at the same time, we keep this easy journey mapped by stars and skies.
Excellent, man. The happy baby. Look at the smile.
Such a pleasant experience.
Happy boy.
God, I want to hold you up in the middle of this.
Afterwards.
So this year in Trinidad, it's very different. Only take everything? Okay. So this year in Trinidad, this pumpkin soup a little bit different because my people here in Trinidad is very stern and strict about their religion. So we have a lot of Hindu people. So first, they don't eat beef at all. So and some don't eat meat at all. So I had to do it like 3 times, and we have to do it before 12 this time, because some people cannot do meat, so I do a plain one. Then I add goat, and for the ones that only eat goat and the one that doesn't eat anything at all, but like I said, I do it plain. So now after the takeout, they share with just the goat. I'm gonna add all the beef bone and oxtail and cow heel and whatever. But it's very interesting, loving it. Love my family. Mommy! Mommy! Ay! Huh?
Got it. Joumou, Trinidad and Tobago.
You have any more? You have any more?
Hey! You have to see when you come here and tell us this. I said stars and skies bring going in the air. Dreams become the love we share. As we soar with every count down with me. Something count down with me. Can you do the countdown?
Oh.
Together we paint dreams across.
Happy New Year, everyone! Yep. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, son. Yvonne, Happy New Year, man. Billy Bob, Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year, everyone. Jesse. Happy New Year, man. All right. Pumpkins, exactly. Happy New Year. Derek. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Anne-Marie. Happy New Year. Simeon, Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year. Bernard, Happy New Year, man. Hey, at least we've seen the first few seconds.
Yeah, exactly.
So far. Happy New Year, just there. Hopefully we'll see you this year in Florida. Yes, yes. Bueno. Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
That's a year for us.
Absolutely. Now, guys, the new year has begun. Let us enjoy the pumpkin soup.
We have a lighting fireworks.
Oh yeah, we have fireworks.
Light them up. Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Gabolitas.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Oh, yeah.
Help for everybody! A lot of help!
Fireworks for the week.
Oh, is that the one that like a lot of them go up?
Yeah. First time, yeah. Usually leave right before New Year to celebrate in Florida, yeah. Gabriel, Happy New Year. Fireworks for the New Year. Yeah, son.
Oh, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, son. Happy New Year. Wow. Now, baby. Yeah, that sounds reasonable.
Yeah. I know, but I like it.
Now we feed it. So 45 quarters.
clients all over the world.
And stay with the man, huh?
I have a cousin. He's a single man.
Stay with the
He
man,
cannot cook.
huh? I can see you before I go. Alright, I need to talk to him because I will take the number from my mother, right? And they will send me the picture. Nice meeting you, Santos. And listen, thank you for being here for my mom, you know, and whenever you can, please, that's all I ask for. I really appreciate it. I would ask for me to share the number. So, Noah. Be careful, Patty.